I want to show you this walkie mask transition in Premiere Pro. I've already added 2 video clips to my timeline. Now move your timeline slider to where your subject just starts passing by the screen. Highlight your transition clip and go over to Effect Controls, then click on the Pen tool. Now click the stopwatch icon from Mask Path, then click on the Mask 1 again so we can see the masks that we're going to draw. Then check off Inverted. Begin tracing an outline behind your subject. The more accurate you are with your trace, the better the outcome of your transition. Now move your timeline slider ahead 1 frame and extend your mask to cover the extra part of the screen that's exposed. Continue moving 1 frame ahead and adjusting your mask until your subject has finished transiting across your clip. To get rid of this masked out part before the transition, go to the first keyframe we made, then move back a single frame and click and drag this off the screen. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.